house track in 90 minutes.
That'd be that good.
Oh yeah, cheers, bro.
I won't curse the world. You do that just fine. You say.
There's so much shit to like.
Wait a minute.
Got any more of those ciders?
17 minutes.
No, you are.
3, 2.
And then what we did, we'll chop it.
Good.
Get there, bro.
Good job.